Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So first of all, happy Diwali. And second of all, I finally sat down and recorded this makeup look that you guys have been, requesting for so long. This is something that, I have been wearing a lot, and this is something, I love wearing. This is so flattering and just looks so beautiful and, so glamorous. And yeah, it's something that, I have worn throughout, I think, Navratri, Durga Puja, and even before that, for videos and all. And you guys love it. So finally, it's here for you guys. So yes, let's get started with the video.
So I'm starting off with this Huda Beauty double-sided eyeshadow. This formula is stunning, you guys. And first I'm using the matte side and just applying it on my, as a base color and blending it all out using a pack blending brush. And I really love this shade. It's very versatile. You can wear it for different occasions. And then I'm taking the glitter part, like the glittery side, and just applying a little bit and blending it all out. Now the key to applying liquid eyeshadows is that to always take little and then blend it out. Do not just cake up the product, or else it'll start cracking and look very unnatural. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I love this eyeshadow, you guys. Check this out. Then I'm taking this brown color and sort of blending the harsh edges so that it all looks pretty put together, and I don't want any harsh lines on my eyes. So just blending the lines, the harsh lines and the edges. Also, let me know in the comments if you want me to do a foundation routine or a brow routine, and I'll happily do it for you guys. Next, I'm taking my plum kajal and I'm going to apply it both on my upper as well as lower waterline. That's what I'm doing over here right now. And then I'll apply it on my lower lash line and I'll make it really thick. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's the key to get that bold look, and it makes your eyes look a lot more bigger. So yeah, just be patient and slowly just pull it across. And then with the dark brown color, I'm just setting the kajal. I'm not dragging it through, but I'm just setting the kajal. Then I'm curling my lashes, very important step. So yeah. And I'm taking this mascara by Chambord. I love this mascara, you guys. And applying it nicely both on my upper lashes as well as lower ones. Now you can just keep it like this if you want to, and just call it a day. But if you are like me, then you definitely will go with false lashes. So yeah, I'm using the ones by Henna Beauty. This is in the style Shukra. It looks stunning, you guys. And yeah, I'm just putting it on. And I'm using the pack lash glue to do that, as you can see over here. Just waiting for 30 seconds and then putting it on. So lashes are on. Now I'm going to cover the lash band as well as connect the lashes with my inner corners using this liquid black eyeliner from Sugar. It's a matte eyeliner, and again, it's one of my favorite eyeliners out there. Take your time and do this. You can also just draw a thicker line, but I just cover the lash band because I just like it like that. And do you see the eyes? It looks so natural but yet so glamorous. So I absolutely love wearing this look. Now I'm dusting off all of the excess, loose powder that I had put on my face when I was doing my foundation. To just avoid any fallout, ruining my base and all of that. So just dusting it all off. And then with my Benefit Hoola bronzer, I'm just, swiping the product across my, cheeks and, under my jawline, and yeah, just adding some color to the face. And I'm not doing any heavy contouring or anything of that sort. Just adding some color to the face and just creating that little shade on the face. I'm wiping that sweat, from my forehead because I was sweating so much, and then just sort of bronzing my, near my hairline. That's what I do, and my forehead. I really like, the Hoola bronzer. So yeah, and especially this brush by Pro Art is amazing. And now I'm taking an eyeshadow brush and sort of contouring my nose, slightly contouring my nose actually, because you don't want your face to look flat in pictures and everything, so you have to put a little bit of color back once you have foundation on. So yeah, just it's like something you have to take your time and do it. And yeah, I'm using a blending brush, by the way, to contour my nose. And then with my fingers, I'll just sort of blend it out, sort of, so that it doesn't look harsh. Then I'm taking this beautiful blush from my GLAM, and I'm dusting the excess product, and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. I'm smiling, of course, because that just helps me better to understand where I should put it. And I'm putting it slightly above the whole bronzer that I just used. If you have round face like me, do not apply it on the center of your cheeks, but instead apply it just above your contour. In that way your face will look a lot more structured. So can you see the way I'm just going up in a slanting manner? That's how you apply blush if you want that sculpted look. Now I'm applying highlighter. This is one of my favorite highlighters out there by Nykaa, and I'm applying the highlighter in the same way, and I'm taking it a little up just below my under eyes, because once again I have a round face, so I don't want a lot of attention on areas that I don't want to. So I'm as usual, a little bit on my nose tip, the bridge of my nose and cheekbones and all of those areas where I really want the light to yeah, that's what I'm doing. And also on my jawline, under my brows, slightly under my brows, and definitely a lot on my upper lip area. This helps in just making the lips look better. I'm wiping off the lip color that I had earlier, and then using this lip liner from MAC. This is a beautiful lip liner, you guys, a must have actually. This is called Spice, and it's a beautiful lip liner. And I'm beautifully just lining my lips. And I just can't talk today, wow. And just filling it in with the same lip liner. Guys, this lip liner is beautiful. It just complements all of the skin tones and just looks so pretty, you guys. It's a nice brown color. And then I'm taking this lipstick again from MAC. It's in the shade Smoked Almond. I think it's not available anymore, but I will list the dupes below. It's a beautiful color and just looks gorgeous. It just looks gorgeous, you guys. So I'm definitely going to list the dupes. It's by Maybelline. The dupe is from Maybelline actually. So lastly, I'm just setting my face with some setting spray from NYX, and then just drying it off. And that's about it, you guys.
So I hope this video helped you learning something new, and if you like this look and my efforts, then please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and also like, comment and share my videos, you guys. It helps me grow. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I post a lot of looks, and I do a lot of activities out there, so don't forget to follow me out there. And yeah, happy Diwali once again. Stay safe and just take care of yourself. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.